I like that simultaneous shot.
Yeah.
Though. Ready? Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, that was terrible.
That was good fire control.
I know. Thank you.
Definitely need to know your sectors.
I won't sweep you. Ready?
Yeah.
Hopefully I won't suck this time. Well, I did. Look at you. Your turn. Thank you for not shooting me.
You're welcome.
Or actually shooting the, you probably shoot the barrel of your gun off.
Yeah, it would be, I mean, I'd literally have to try to murder you.
You'd have to pull a Dick Cheney.
What? There's a bird over there.
You ready?
Yeah. You got to do it pretty hard. Wow, you actually got that one.
Suck that.
You did. I mean, that was good.
I shouldn't even be talking trash to you.
Well, on shotguns, it's
Pretty different game.
yeah.
Different ball game. Oh, the tree broke it.
Got it.
Ready? Yeah.
Ready. I don't know who got that.
Close.
I'm in.
I like that one a lot better.
Bad.
Switch.
I want to shoot that door breacher.
Absolutely.
All right. Ready? Yeah. Oh,
Just in the wind. I always put it on after every shot.
After even when he's not throwing, it's safety on.
Yeah, I mean, it's just good practice.
All right.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Suck me sideways.
That is fun to shoot though.
Yeah.
That little guy. Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ah!
Get away.
All right, Drew. All right, we're good.
Okay. Ah! I wanted that one.
I could tell.
Ready.
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 I'm out.
You shouldn't be. Huh.
Ready.
Ready.